MNS Chief Raj Thackeray will surrender before a Kalyan court today. Complying with the Bombay High Court directive, Raj Thackeray will surrender in the case pertaining to violence against North Indian students who were appearing for a railway recruitment examination at Thane on October 19, 2008. The High Court had earlier set aside an anticipatory bail granted to Thackeray by a lower court and asked him to surrender by end of June. Well, the MNS chief had earlier been arrested on the 21st of October, if you remember. Thackeray was arrested at Ratnagiri in Maharashtra after the Mumbai police received a non-bailable warrant issued against him by the Jamshedpur court. Thackeray's arrest had led to large-scale disturbance in Maharashtra. Thackeray was later released on bail. And for more on that, let's go across to our correspondent Kashif. Morning, Kashif. What's the latest that you're hearing as we speak?
Right now I'm outside Raj Thakray's house over here. He's expected to leave his house about 8:30 and 9. That is what is the time we're getting, that he'll leave. He'll reach the court at about 11 o'clock. Clearly a huge day. A lot of violence last time when he was arrested on 21st October in 2008. But this time the police and the security forces are taking no chances. Huge ample security presence here in Shivaji Park around his residence as well as in Kalyan all along. But the police also anticipating lesser crowd trouble as it's been raining all day, all morning over here. So clearly there's been no reaction also from the Raj Thackeray camp on this particular arrest and bail. What we hear from sources is that as soon as he's presented in the court, he will be arrested and his lawyers will move for bail immediately. So sources are telling us that he is likely to get bail immediately. So clearly as of now, we're waiting for him to come out and move to the court at about 8:30 this morning. Sharad?
All right, Kashif. Thanks for that. Thank you.